Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to your channel name. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today we're diving into the golden world of turmeric. This vibrant spice has been cherished for centuries. This incredible spice is not only a staple in many kitchens, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting immunity to reducing inflammation, turmeric does it all. So let's explore 10 amazing properties of turmeric that make it a must-have in your pantry, and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether it's in your meals, drinks, or even supplements, turmeric can be a game changer for your health. First up, let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, acts like a firefighter for your body, extinguishing the flames of inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage healthy tissues and organs, contributing to serious conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, curcumin helps cool down that inflammatory fire, protecting your body from its harmful effects and promoting overall health. Next, turmeric is packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. Free radicals are like little troublemakers, causing damage that can lead to aging and chronic diseases. Antioxidants in turmeric act as our body's defense system, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting our cells. Did you know that turmeric is a powerful digestive aid? This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. It stimulates the production of bile, essential for breaking down fats, and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce bloating and discomfort, making it beneficial for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive disorders. Soothe your stomach and improve digestion with a touch of turmeric. Incorporate it into your daily diet for a healthier gut and overall well-being. Turmeric is fantastic for your skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties work wonders. It can help combat acne, reduce scars, and brighten your complexion. Get that healthy, radiant glow with turmeric. Let's talk about brain health. Curcumin in turmeric may help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It may even protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Adding turmeric to your diet could be a smart move for your brain. For heart health, turmeric can be a valuable ally. It helps improve endothelial function, crucial for regulating blood pressure and preventing blood clots. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, turmeric promotes healthy blood flow. Protect your heart with the power of turmeric. Turmeric is a great immune booster. Think of your immune system as your body's internal army. Turmeric acts like a powerful reinforcement thanks to its antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Strengthen your body's defenses with turmeric, especially during cold and flu season. Need natural pain relief? Turmeric can help with headaches and muscle soreness due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Pain is often a signal of inflammation in the body. By addressing the underlying inflammation, turmeric can help ease discomfort. Curcumin may help improve your mood and alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Studies suggest it may increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, key neurotransmitters for mood regulation. Give your brain a natural mood boost with turmeric. Turmeric may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps your cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Turmeric may enhance insulin sensitivity, beneficial for managing diabetes or those at risk. So how can you use turmeric in your daily life? From golden milk and smoothies to soups and face masks, the possibilities are endless. Remember to pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption. Thanks for watching and stay golden.